guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, today is going to be a hair tutorial video. Now today I am going to share this very quick and easy hairstyle with you guys, especially for the days when you have very oily scalp, or I can also say when you have greasy hair and you don't have time to wash your hair, or you don't have a dry shampoo and you want to just style your hair very quick and easy. So without wasting your time, let's directly dive into the video and let me share my top 5 super quick and easy greasy hairstyle. So let's get started. As you guys can see, my hair is like super greasy. I have a very oily scalp and you can just see it's like so greasy, and I'm completely out of like dry shampoo. I don't have time to shampoo my hair, and even if I do, I don't have time to style them or maybe do something. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's like super greasy. So let's go ahead and start with the first hairstyle. So number one, the first hairstyle. So what you need is, you need one comb, a rubber band, and then maybe few clips in case you have short hair, and then hair wax. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is, I am doing a middle partition just like this, and मैं कुछ बाल अपने face पे ऐसे just few flicks I'm going to leave it on my face, and I'm just going to make sure that it is a middle partition. And then now I'll pick up the entire hair from my crown area and take it at the back, and we are just going to do a half pony, on the top, which is also called as half up. So you don't have to be like, super clean. It can be messy as well. So I'm just gonna, take the entire hair, and then using my comb, I'm just gonna clean this. And then using a rubber band, I'm just gonna secure this half pony, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna secure it. So you guys can see it will look something like this. Now to clean this area and make it look more smooth, what I'm going to be doing is, I'm using a bed head TIGI, hair wax. It's a hair stick, which helps in, cleaning the, or maybe just, sticking up the baby hair from your face, and it will give you a more clean and sleek look. So this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna, so I'm just gonna get rid of these baby hair. I'm just gonna push the entire hair at the backwards. So once you do it, it will look something like this. Now to add a little twist, what I'm going to be doing is, I'll take another rubber band and I will make a half bun, just like this. And then I will take another rubber band and secure this bun nicely. And then just gonna stretch this so my bun is secure. So it will look something like this. And now what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm gonna pull the hair in the front. We'll secure it a little bit more and take out few hair from this bun. So it kind of looks like, little messy. And then as you guys can see, few hair are coming out from here. So I'm just gonna secure, this side, the जो भी बाल निकल के आ रहे हैं उसको bobby pin से. So this is basically the hairstyle number 1. So this hairstyle does take me back to college. So this has always been like those cute little, half up, half do kind of a hairstyle. And उसमें क्या होता था, बाल भी खुले रहते थे, and then you also had like a little bit bun, which was creating like a messy kind of effect. If you want, you can also take out few hair from here to create a more messy kind of an effect. And there you go, you guys. This is our final look. Okay, I already look so funny. So it's time for hairstyle number 2. So for the second hairstyle, what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to leave again few strands of my hair in front. Just going to make sure that these are equal. And I'm going to just leave them like this. Now what I'm going to be doing is, taking the entire crown hair and I'll just comb them backwards. I don't know if you guys can see me. And then using the 2 rubber band, I'm going to secure this ponytail. As you guys can see, here's this ponytail. So I'm just going to very tightly secure it. Now this will look something like this. It's very clean and sleek. Now what I'm going to be doing is, I'll take this hair. First I'm going to make sure that this is the right middle partition. Now what I'm going to be doing is, I'll take this hair at the back, and then using a bobby pin, I will pin them up. and then I'm gonna hide the hair पीछे की तरफ, and then using the hair wax I'm just gonna make it look more sleek. And we'll take out few hair from this area. And then this is our second hairstyle. So it will give us a more sleek, high ponytail effect, and I absolutely love this, especially doing on the days when I want like a really clean, professional kind of a look. So this does goes well. Now let's move on to the third hairstyle. The third hairstyle, we will continue from the same hairstyle. What I'm going to be doing is I'll start twisting the hair and we'll just make a bun here. So as you guys can see, I'm just making a bun and then using a rubber band, maybe a big, or if you want you can use 2 rubber bands. I'm just going to secure this bun. Now if you guys want, you can use U-pins to secure it more nicely, but I think I'm gonna just leave it like that and just gonna make sure that it looks clean at the same time. Alright, so this completes our third hairstyle. This will give you a more formal and more professional look, and I absolutely love how it looks, and it does goes with the days when you have business meetings, or you want to go for some business interviews, or anything like for a formal kind of a look, or also if you want like a more clean sleek bun kind of a look. So definitely this hairstyle is like a treat. Now let's move on to the fourth hairstyle. So again, I'm just going to keep the middle partition, and we will take few hair from the front and then we will start twisting them at the back, something like this. It will look like, just taking few hair from front and then keep on twisting, keep on twisting, keep on twisting. I will take all the way to the back, and then using a bobby pin, I will secure it. Now we'll follow the same step on the other side, so it will look something like this. Now this is done. Now I will gather the entire hair and then secure them in a ponytail. Now after securing it in a ponytail, I will take out few hair from here, and then this is the final look, you guys. Super easy and super quick. If you feel like few hair are coming out, it's fine, it's totally okay. You can just completely ignore them. Now let's move on to the last and final fifth hairstyle. This one's going to be super quick and easy. Now what I'm going to be doing is I will take the entire hair and then brush them backwards, and then we'll make a very high ponytail. Now there's this twist. If you want, you can keep the head or the crown area flat, but what I like to do is I'm just gonna do a middle partition, and then I just like to have a slightly middle partition. Even I'm taking the entire hair at the back. It kind of look good on my face. मुझे नहीं पसंद कि जो आगे का मेरा face है, it just starts looking super flat. So I like to make a slightly, a middle partition in between. And then using 2 rubber bands, I'm just gonna secure my ponytail. Now it will look something like this. Now I'm just going to make it look more sleek and clean. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a hair wax and then get rid of all those baby hair. Why I like to do this? It gives me a more snatched, kind of a effect, and makes my face look more sharp. So now once this is done, now we will start creating a bubbles. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll take a rubber band and then just place it nearby half area and then tighten this up, and we will start pulling few hair from the rubber band and then create a bubble kind of an effect. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, it can be, it depends upon your haircut as well. I'll take another rubber band and then place it somewhere here, and then make sure that this is tight, and we'll start pulling some hair again. So here you guys can see it's kind of a Disney princess hairstyle. You can also call it as Princess Jasmine hairstyle. Now I'm gonna take another rubber band and then make, just place the rubber band somewhere here, make sure it's tight, and then start pulling the hair again. Now if you guys want, you can place the rubber band in a small gaps, but I'm kind of keeping it, from a medium to somewhere in the medium, just to, because I don't want like the small bubbles. So this is like kind of good for me, and I think I can do one more here, or maybe I think that's it. We can leave it right here. So this is again a perfect hairstyle for all my gym freak girls, who don't like their hair to fall on their face while working out as well, or even if you want a look where you don't want like the hair to fall on your face. So this is like a beautiful hairstyle which you guys can do, and it's super quick and easy. Alright you guys, these were my top 5 super quick and easy hairstyle, especially for the days when you have like super oily and greasy hair. Do give them a try and let me know which one was your favorite. And in case you like this super quick and easy hair tutorial, let me know. I can film a part 2 for you guys. Now let's go ahead and end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys super soon with a new video, but please make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.